Dark people, welcome back to the Sons of the Force. I'm playing with my friend, host. Custom. There's no normal mode? The fuck? Host. Oh, there's a normal. Alright, join me.
Okay, I'm inside your lobby. Here, give me a second.
Alright. Oh my fucking god, I hate this bullshit. Here, you're just gonna have to join again. Well, you're gonna like check things. Alright, hurry up and join. Hurry up and join.
Give me a second.
It always turns into hours with you. Alright, ready up. Start. Oh, you're on the other helicopter. Hello, comrades. Let's get to it. No. Yeah, no. Ooh. No, Where did yours crash? Do you copy? Of course you don't. Ever.
Let's see this cutscene.
What the? Get off of me, fool! Oh.
Rising from the lake, from the rivers of death.
Oh.
Yeah, a cutscene I've never done. Never saw.
Oh. Are you okay, Owen? Owen!
This guy beats me up, wow.
Owen! Oh, he got some brain damage. Busted eardrums, too. Ooh. That's good. Yeah, he has brain damage, but... Here.
Good either way. There are a
Alright.
lot of these.
Flares. We get some arrows. Okay. Alright, so if you grab everything, I can also grab stuff. Okay.
Wait, I could go in your bag.
Do not go in my bag.
Who's that guy over there?
Who are those people? How do I get him? Don't. Not yet, not yet. But I think they're on. Oh, they're on sticks. I thought those are like the fishing things.
Oh, there's lots of water over here. How do you run? That's my question.
Shift maybe. Okay then.
I killed something. Got a bird.
Nice. Alright, Alwyn, let's go, my friend.
There's just a dead guy here. Just dead people on this island.
Yeah, it appears that somebody's beating us here.
See what I can build. I think I may live here.
Let's build a house.
I'm gonna live here.
Yeah, let's live here. Oh. Can't calm me down. Yeah, that's my first thought is when I crash, instead of trying to get home, I'm just like, let's build a house. That's it, we're building a house. Let's go.
Actually, let's kind of live inside the woods over there because, hear me out, we could have, like, lots of woods.
Aboard the mission, we're gonna build a house. Kind of live our life. There's a shell in there.
Let's build a house.
Oh!
I got a rock.
Nice. I love rocks.
I need my axe. Okay. Go cut down some trees.
Alright, I got some feathers. Got us some more food.
These look different from normal trees.
Fascinating. They're pine trees. Alright, let's get going. We gotta find the perfect place. Oh yeah, you carry some wood. Alright, let's find out where we're gonna settle.
I broke it.
Yeah, I can hear. Squirrel! Don't ask. Ooh, rock. Oh, we can big rock walls. And have log supports, yeah. Perfect. Alright, I'm looking for a place to settle.
What's the buttons to build again?
Huh?
Buttons to build stuff.
I can hear 1,000 of you. Alright, dude, I'm gonna be doing some exploring, you know? I might be back.
B.
Yeah, we'll settle with river access. Find a river, we can follow up the river and see, look for a good place. Oh, I found like a pathway. A path. But it's made of natural stone path. It's fascinating. This. Oh! Up here, I need help! People! They're marching down to the beach where you're at.
There's a monster?
No, there's a bunch of villagers.
Coming.
Oh, one saw me. They're not attacking.
Because they don't know who you are yet. They don't know what you are.
Are they friendly?
They're not friendly yet.
It's okay.
They are friendly, but they're not friendly fully. They know how you got to their lands. With a knife.
Yeah, he only brings his weapon out when I get too close to the camp.
I'm coming fast as I can. Just give me a second. I gotta climb over a mountain. How far did you go in this small time period?
He thinks I'm gonna hurt him. It's okay, my friend. Oh, he's Caucasian. Ah! He just killed me instantly! I need help.
God.
He hit me with like a stake. A curvy one. You're gonna kill Alan if you don't get up here. Or what were you playing at the beach?
I see the camp. I'm not fully... What the fuck is you?
Bro, help me.
Hey.
I need help!
What's up, buddy?
Help me!
I'm not trying to attack.
No, help me! I'm literally about to die!
I'm coming. The guy started yelling at me.
He's not gonna attack unless you get too close to him and start harassing him. There won't show us, by the way. It's fine, just come get me.
Are you good?
Ow! Alwyn got me! Good boy. Do you want to attack him?
He did not get you there.
No, it was the other guy.
Is that a ghoul, bro? Kill it.
Now, because they did that. Yes, rob them.
They have a comic book right there. You can like grab
Oh, they're cannibals.
Watch out,
Oh.
there's an Indian Indian like down over there.
An
He looks scary.
Indian?
You're like a native or something.
Yeah, they're native here.
However you call it. Just a random person who lives here. Where did he go?
Alright, let's hit him. Alright, let's make a fire. Oh, he coming. Oh, they coming.
Sir. Damn.
Are you down?
Bro, instant. Bro, instant.
Hey.
Me. Bro hit me so hard in the head.
Oh, he got me. Why were you playing with him?
Me?
Oh my god, now we're down alive. Oh great, they kidnapped us. Good thinking, my friend. Now they're gonna eat my eyes like that man. Can you help? I need... Great. Oh, they got a shrine.
Hey, I see you, buddy.
Oh, he back. Leave me alone. Where's Alwyn?
Set myself free.
There's two of them. Run! Run!
Damn. Bro,
I said run.
killed.
I told you to run, but you never listen.
Well, every time we die, we just respawn at this camp to be die.
No, they're trying to put us in the thing. Oh, they got more coming up. Thought these people were friendly. Oh, they're behind you. Oh no! Oh, he got a minigun.
A minigun?
Oh no, he got a motor. I found the chief. We're gonna call him Chief D, man. Oh my god! Now I got no one to help. Guy, people to the Sons of the Force again. Oh my god. Yeah, you gotta spare. They're eating that man. Snyder. No.
Bro, where did they go?
Get our stuff real quick. Hurry up. They're gonna be back and the chief don't like us. This is our camp. Let's take... Does that mean he can't use it? Hey, we must confiscate the body. That's what they get.
Wait, give me a second. I'm able to craft something I need to craft. Hi. Pardon me for a second.
They're gonna be back.
Where's my wood?
Oh, they took the body. They took it, the body.
Second.
Alan must be lost in the woods afraid. So I heard there's different. They have different cultures on the islands.
Bro, what is this?
Let's build a bordering village. And build a wall. They're back! They're back!
It's okay, I got a spear I can throw.
Make a bunch of throwing spears. Alright, I'm cutting a tree. Right, I lure him over here so I can kill him with a tree.
You hit their tree.
Lure him over there and see if I can kill him with a tree. Stop touching Alwyn and let's go. Look at what you did! I told you to stop playing Alwyn and lure him over here. I also told you where he was. You got his car again. Oh, they gonna eat us. They ain't gonna be catching us forever if you keep playing. Oh, and you abandoned me. Let's go.
I'm not playing.
Throw him with a spear.
I only went down a little.
I need back up. He's back at me. He hurt Alwyn. Help, help, help.
Damn.
He-
Bro, not having
He's hurting Alwyn.
Bro was not having it at all.
He's coming back. Oh, he's attacking Alwyn. Alwyn's dealt with the nut. We gotta take him out.
I'm gonna leave this area because everyone come back soon.
Run.
Go downstream, find something.
Yeah, just abandon Alwyn like you abandoned me. Let's look for
How
a
do you
place.
run?
Shift. Someone's screaming help.
I see that. Whoa.
Oh! They're crawling in the trees!
No.
He's in the tree!
God damn it. Fuck. Sir,
Get him!
go get him.
He's a two-shot. You can get him.
Sir,
Hey.
stop crawling so fast.
Here, I'm healing. Don't lure him over. Don't let him get over to me. Taking some pills.
Huh.
Damn, these are some good pills.
Check this out.
What's up, my brother?
Check out this good area.
Oh, you think it's settling worth? Hold up, I can't see the trees. Ooh. I can see it fully. Oh, ah! He's covered in mud. This ain't a bad place to settle, actually. Oh, up there, look where the rocks are. Yeah, he was just over, he's stalking us.
Deer.
Oh, he's that way. He's so fast. If he's, you see him over there, that means there's another. Or am I seeing things? Dude, I found the perfect place. Do you see that up there?
He hit me.
Yeah, he's a two-shot.
Hey, come here. You, stop running.
Where is he?
Crawling. my god.
Where did he go?
Just like ran that way.
You know he's gonna come back with the chief. Oh my god, the chief is insane. Alright, up here. I think we should settle up here. Yes, good play. Ah! This one's weaker. Oh, there's a bunch of them! Alright, these ones, I don't think they're a part of a tribe. I think they're just wild, so we're gonna call them forest people. Yeah, I think these ones are wild. They're covered in mud. They're not, like, really have a place, and they just crawl, like, wander around. Like, they crawl, they can't even walk.
Like a monkey.
Yeah, and they climb trees, like, yeah, I think they're their own culture, where they don't, like, have settlements and stuff. Yeah, I think they just, like, run the forest.
They're edible.
Can see him, he's in the bushes. He's in the trees. He looks like a deer.
I want to make something.
There was 2 or 3 of them.
Hey, I'll do it.
There he is, get a spear.
I got Talamo. Talamo.
Molotov, you mean? Oh. Oh. Oh, I got him. Oh, his arm. Oh, he's alive.
Watch out behind you.
Just put it out of his misery. Sorry, buddy. Self-defense. You need help? Let me drop it. Oh, there's a bunch of them. Oh, they won't leave me alone. Oh, there's a girl. Oh, get your hands off her. They just put her hands on the most beautiful girl in the world. Oh, she got 3 legs, but I mean, that didn't make a difference, you know. Got you. I just saw a girl with 3 legs.
Oh yeah.
Oh, she runs
around the map.
Yeah, yeah, I heard about it.
She's a companion.
All right, you think we should settle here? Oh, there's a flatland down here. Settle here. Settle here. Oh, it's beautiful over here. All right, we should settle here, okay?
Okay, you make some stuff. I will get the materials. Well, put some stuff down. So I'm gonna cut down this tree.
Yeah.